Hi, I'm Brandon, and today we're going to talk about the MSI Summit E16 Flip. Have you ever wished to demonstrate your product or software on a laptop, but it's too performance demanding, or the performance-oriented laptop is too bulky and embarrassing for you? MSI has sorted it out. The new Summit E16 Flip is the perfect choice for you. It is a combination of a powerful laptop, a 16-inch screen tablet, a stylus, and a Bluetooth remote controller. Let's look at the design of the Summit E16 Flip. The convertible ink black chassis with rose gold pattern represents a new business concept built by MSI. The Summit E16 is only 1.6 centimeters and weighs 1.9 kilograms, which are extraordinary dimensions for a 16-inch laptop. With the specially designed hinge, it can be placed on different surfaces without any difficulty. Like a person who is determined to succeed, the Summit E16 Flip will accompany you through different work challenges that you may face on the way to your success. The laptop comes with the CES award-winning MSI Pen, which features a pressure sensor that you're able to draw with. When you are done, just pop it next to the left side of your laptop and it will stick on. The performance of the Summit E16 Flip won't let you down. The CPU is powered by up to an Intel 11th Gen 4-core 8-thread i7-1195 G7 processor. The GPU comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU with 4 GB VRAM and an onboard high-speed LPDDR4 memory. Even though it is packed with such power, with the MSI patented Dynamic Cooler Boost solution, you can keep both CPU and GPU cool, yet remaining under 35 decibels. You can take this laptop to your meetings without having to fear the fans spinning up suddenly like a hairdryer. Next, let's introduce the Summit E16 Flip ports. On the left side, there is an HDMI port which supports 4K at 60 Hz, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a webcam switch. With these ports, you can transfer files or project your slides on any device. On the other side, it has 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, a micro SD card reader, and a headphone microphone combo jack. Now, let's turn on the Summit E16 Flip. Just a reminder, if you've just unboxed a laptop, remember to connect the adapter to the laptop first. This disables the factory shipping mode, which prevents it from powering on accidentally during product transportation. Also, there is a chance that the fan will spin fairly loudly when you first connect it to the internet. This is due to the automatic Windows update. Don't worry, the fan speed will quiet down once the update is done. Press the power button to turn on the laptop. The power button of the Summit E16 Flip was designed to prevent users from pressing it unintentionally. When you press the power button, it does not go straight to sleep or shut down like other regular laptops. Instead, press and hold for 1 second, then release to trigger sleep. 4 seconds to shut it down. The Summit E16 Flip provides data security with a hardware TPM chip and biometric device login. During the Windows 10 account setup, you can register both fingerprint and face login together with a PIN code. If you skipped that or would like to register later, you can go to Windows Settings, Accounts, then Sign In Options to complete the registration. With the help of Modern Standby, you can unlock your laptop just by tapping your finger or open the lid of the laptop and log in instantly. By default, the MSI keyboard hotkeys will perform the printed functions, while holding the function key performs their typical functions. However, if you prefer those roles reversed, simply hold Function and Escape. You will know it's reversed when the LED indicator lights up. The MSI Pen can be used on both Summit E13 and E16 screens as a stylus with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It also functions as a Bluetooth remote presentation controller. To pair the MSI Pen to the laptop with Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth Device, then hold the MSI Pen Bluetooth button, click the MSI Pen on the screen to complete the pairing. If you want to know more details or tips of using it as a stylus and a remote controller, please check our Summit E13 and MSI Pen tutorial video. When you aren't using the MSI Pen, there's a chance that you may misplace it or drop it while moving around. Same as Summit E13 Flip Evo, the Summit E16 Flip also has a magnet design that can hold the MSI Pen so you won't forget where you left it. The Summit E16 Flip uses a 16:10 golden ratio display, which provides you 11% more space on your screen. Unlike the traditional 16:9 ratio, the bigger screen space reduces the scrolling movement, boosting your productivity while you work. The best part is, you can still use the touchscreen without the pen. While using the touchscreen, a single tap works like a left click on a mouse. With one finger, you can scroll or hold and drag objects around. Holding down an icon is like right-clicking, which calls out the menu. You can also use two fingers to zoom in and zoom out. As a business person, you may have to read documents during different times of the day. Whether you are in a bright meeting room discussing an important project or attending a presentation in a dark room, the Summit E16 Ambient Light Sensor adjusts the screen brightness according to your surroundings. If you want to disable this function, go to Display Settings and disable Auto Brightness Adjustment. The Summit E16 Flip, like your phone, has a built-in gyroscope. If you need to read websites or PDF files horizontally, slide from the right edge of the screen and turn on auto rotation. Click again to turn it off. Having a second external screen is helpful when you are multitasking. The Summit E16 Flip built-in Duet display allows you to transform an iPad into an external screen, or you can mirror part of your main screen onto it. You can access the Duet display through the MSI Center. Install the Duet display module if it was not installed by default. Clear communication will avoid misunderstandings during important discussions, leading your team to success. The built-in quad microphones are able to receive your voice in a wider range without you having to put your face on the keyboard. There is another special technology introduced by MSI called the AI Noise Cancellation. It uses an AI algorithm to remove any incoming or outgoing noises. To activate the AI Noise Cancellation, open up the MSI Center, select Optimization, click Audio Optimizer, and then click to toggle on or off for incoming and/or outgoing noise cancellation. It sounds like we're going to be exceeding our third quarter goal, is that right? All right, well, coming up next, I'd like us all to go into breakout sessions so we can strategize how to continue this momentum through the fourth quarter. You can also tick Auto Volume Balance if the incoming sound is not consistent, or Voice Amplify mode to boost your voice volume. With a powerful RTX GPU inside a slim 16-inch laptop, you can edit photos and render high-resolution videos. However, you may wonder, won't the laptop overheat or the fan become really loud? Don't worry. The Summit E16 has a patented dynamic cooler boost thermal solution. With the heat pipes and centered fan design, it will deal with the heat from the CPU and GPU for you, while maintaining the noise under 35 dB at all times. If you are running software that is really performance demanding, like coding or rendering, you can adjust the fan speed setting to Cooler Boost in high performance mode, which will maximize fan speed to keep the CPU and GPU running in high frequency state. I hope this video can help you to unleash the full potential of the Summit E16 Flip. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.